Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the YarnPal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to set the app language, click to the Me option at the lower bar, and here click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and in the general settings section you can find the first button, the set language, and here you can find different languages and you can select another. If you want to use, for example, the Deutsch, just click that and that's it, you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.